my lovelies, I placed an order on Notino, Romania, and I wanna show you very quickly what I bought. So I have here first of all 3 products for hair care and 2 makeup products. I'm going to start with the hair care products. So first of all, I wanted so much to try this all-in-one hair treatment from Revlon Professional Uniq one. My sister-in-law told me so many good impressions about this product, so I wanted so much to try it. So this is a leave-in that repairs dry and damaged hair, strengthens and reduces breakage, conditions and detangles, control frizz, instantly moisture. It also has heat protection, boosts shine and protects colors. It gives softness, manageability, helps to prevent split ends and also refreshes hairstyle. It looks like this, and I already tried it, guys, because I was so excited about it, and also because I finished my leave-in and I needed it so much. I can tell you that it has a very dense texture, is so nourishing, it gives hair texture, it detangles so well, guys. And you know what, I was so impressed when I tried it for the first time because it detangles so well. It also smells so good, gives texture to the hair. It nourishes and hydrates the hair very well, so I can say that my first impression is very good. I'm so curious if you already tried it. Tell me in the comments your impressions. I wanted to buy from the same range the hair mask as well, but it wasn't in stock. But I found from the same range this shampoo, also from Revlon Professional, Uniq one, all-in-one shampoo. It has 10 real benefits. So it also repairs dry and damaged hair, strengthens, reduces breakage, hydrates, protects scalp, conditions and revitalizes colored hair, helps to detangle, controls frizz, moisturizes hair and improves softness, provides shiny, manageable hair, helps to prevent split ends, and easy styling process. It has 490 milliliters, looks like this, also smells so nice. I haven't tried it yet. Yes, it has a different scent than the leave-in. The texture looks like this. So I can't wait to try it, guys, and come with more impressions. And because I didn't find the hair mask from this range, I bought a new mask for me. This one is from Milkshake. You know what? I heard about this brand from some girls that I follow from Romania. And I was so curious about this brand, guys, because it is a good brand. They have very interesting products. I heard so many things about some products from this line, and because I needed a hair mask, I decided to buy this one. You know what, I was thinking that Milkshake is only on Notino, Romania, but I looked online and I saw that Notino UK also have this product and more products from Milkshake. So if you want to try something from Milkshake, just know that you can find it on Notino UK as well. So I bought this Integrity Intensive Treatment. Is a nourishing deep treatment mask for all hair types. It has 500 milliliters, looks like this, looks so dense. I haven't tried it yet. As you see, it's quite dense and looks so nourishing, smells so nice, so subtle, like shea butter. The brand also says here that is a specific formula with organic muru butter for all hair types that nourishes deeply and eliminates frizz, leaving hair conditioned, manageable and extremely soft and radiant. Okay, so I can't wait to try it, guys, and also come with more impressions about it. And I also bought these 2 makeup products, and I also have here a sample with this cream from Estée Lauder, Revitalizing Supreme Youth Power Soft Cream. First makeup product is from NYX. I bought again this micro brow pencil. This is one of my favorites, guys. I love it so much. I haven't been using this for a while, so I bought it again, and I bought it in shade Taupe. This is perfect for blonde hair. Looks like this. Here has a spoolie and the pencil, which is so thin. I like so much the texture. It's not so soft, it's not so hard, so it's perfect to draw very fine lines in the brows. As you see, it's a very natural color. It also lasts very well, so I highly recommend it to you. I usually buy for my makeup kit this shade, which is Taupe, and another shade which is dark brown. And the last one is this eyeliner from Inglot, MC Eyeliner Gel. in shade 77. Oh my god guys, this is the best eyeliner I ever tried. I bought it so many times, especially for my makeup artist kit, because it's so long lasting, it's so pigmented, it's so black. It looks like this. And of course I already used it because I needed it so much. I highly recommend it to you if you are a makeup artist and if you want something very good, so long lasting, so opaque. And this was the unboxing from Notino guys. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!